Meaning of endemic.
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 Endemic. The term endemic refers to a disease or condition that is regularly found in a particular area or population. It is a constant presence within a specific geographic location and is considered to be native or local to that area. Endemic diseases may have a low level of prevalence, but they are persistent. Unlike epidemics, endemic diseases do not spread rapidly and do not have the potential to cause large outbreaks. Vaccines and other preventive measures can be used to control endemic diseases, but complete eradication is unlikely unless the underlying conditions that support the disease are addressed.